What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. Here we do food recipes and tips, food gadget and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any questions or ideas, please leave them in the comment section below. Without further ado, let's get to the agenda. Yes, family, so today we are going to go ahead and talk about a little bit of safety. I do have a video out there, 10 hints and tips about the kitchen, and along with that was some safeties on how to use knives or different footwear you should wear in the kitchen. However, I thought one of the important things would be is to talk about fire safety. If you're a beginner or if you're going to be new in the kitchen, I think fire safety is one thing, or one of the things that is most important that you should know. The kitchen is one of the most, if not the most dangerous room in the household, okay? However, so I just wanted to give a short video on fire safety, okay? Now, if you haven't or if you don't, you should have or you should get a fire extinguisher. I did get my fire extinguishers from Aldi. You can go to Walmart, however, they are not expensive. Mine was about $12 and they range anywhere between 12 and 30 bucks depending on how big you get them, okay? And if you are new and don't know how to use a fire extinguisher, please read the instructions that they give on the box. However, they will let you know that you do want to pull the pin. You want to hold the can 6 feet away from the fire. You want to squeeze the trigger and you want to sweep the can side by side at the base of the fire. And the instructions will let you know on the box, and they'll let you know on the fire extinguisher as well, okay? Before we get to the other alternatives, just in case you don't have a fire extinguisher, we're going to hear some quick facts. When was the first fire extinguisher invented? Between 1810 and 1818, British inventor George William Manby invented the first portable pressurized fire extinguisher sometime between 1810 and 1818. His extinguisher could deploy up to 3 gallons of pressurized potassium and carbohydrate or carbonate onto fire. Pretty cool. You learn something new every day. Okay, so now we're going to get to the other alternatives. Now, in case you have a grease fire, you want to go for, I would reach for salt or baking soda, not baking powder and not flour. Flour and baking powder will only get absorbed by the grease if you do have a grease fire. Okay, family, so if you are a beginner or if you just want a refresher, always keep an on set next to me. I always have some salt and some baking soda. All right, you guys, and I even take a couple of these and I pour them in a big canister. That way, if anything was to happen, and you never know, and it happens to the best of us, it doesn't matter if you are the most elite chef or anybody in the world. Accidents do happen, okay? So I would say every time you cook, try to keep you a box of baking soda or salt next to hand. And if you can, try to have all 3: fire extinguisher, salt, baking soda. You never know, anything can happen. Fires can happen, grease fires can happen. So if you don't have a fire extinguisher on hand, make sure you have salt and baking soda on deck, all right? I just figured it would be smart to share this video with you because I've seen a lot of things happen in kitchens, and I'm be honest with you, these things will save you. And I will tell you, I have seen these things save a lot of people's behind. It has saved mine. So again, hey, try to get you a fire extinguisher. Try to get 2 of them. And if you can't get to the store, you guys have these in your cupboards. Alright? You gotta stay representing. Alright, so if you don't have a fire extinguisher, hey, you're not out of luck. Use baking soda or salt just in case you have a grease fire, okay, you guys? So I hope you guys found this video very helpful. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell to the bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins. Until our next food adventure, peace.